Okay, good. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss the second part of the business model for both hours. So be ready for that one. And yeah, I'm going to tell live examples. I know something, a new conceptual side. We will discuss in the form of application side. So be ready for that one. And at the end, I will ask the question you have to answer. So go through the slides clearly, and at the end you can also select any one business model so for your assignment purpose. So be ready with that one. Then assignment I already told. Okay, let us go for your answers what you have posted on the previous day. We have discussed some of the business model on the other day, last Thursday. Based upon that, you have given very good answers. I appreciate all of you. And where you are going to post your advertisement, the media, nice. Somebody mentioned even Google Ad Manager that
Excuse me,
shows.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, only these many people answer your question, or there are
No,
many.
no, no, no. I have selected the first part. Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, yesterday night I gone through that one. Some of the students they are not posting the answer. They will lose the mark for activity. I already told. At the end, I will consolidate and send it to you. By the time you will know. Very good question he asked. Because I clearly mentioned activity I am not going to give. This activity is purely based upon these Google form only answers. We you know how many classes we handled, then I will sort according to your students and send it to you. You yourself can know, because reason I'm sending the even the video link also, so that you can see the video link and answer. If you are unable to answer, it is your risk. Then seminar, we are going to conduct on a particular week seminar. Seminar is divided into two parts. One part is case study. I am having your list, how many students are participating in the case study, and I already taken from the Zoom also. Both are tallying except one student. So based upon the case study and your presentation, the seminar mark will be given. Three components. One is assignment. Usually first I thought that the LMS itself contains the assignment. Same thing we are using. Whatever you answer correctly, it will come for the assignment, including what we have posted. Then the activity mark in the Google form you are doing. Seminar, your case study presentation, plus your seminar you are going to tell, that is your business plan. Okay. These are all our 15 marks classification. So be ready for that one. So here, very nice answers. Ad manager, somebody mentioned. Very good. One person clearly mentioned Google search advertisement, Zoom and Telegram. Like WhatsApp, somebody mentioned Telegram he is going to give. Then very interesting is cricket stadiums. Nice. Since IPL is going on, some of the students clearly identified that advertisement in the cricket stadium. Okay. Then Biotechnica, based upon your subject core area you have mentioned. Then one of the student also mentioned the business model for the advertisement is the adview.com. Nicely identified from online platform. Very good, because in that platform only it is used for the purpose of advertisements in different mode also, including what he mentioned cinema theater. I have not compared, but I hope he has compared. Very nice answers. So even one of the person mentioned about the startup idea for a food joint. He mentioned that pop-ups on Book My Show. Nice. So how you are tapping you? Because your idea, business idea is important. It should come out. You have clearly mentioned few examples. Nice. Thank you all. You have done a very good job. Other students also try to make it clearly. These are all the first group of students answered. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the business model second part. Of course, we are going to discuss different type of business models. Once again, clearly remember these business models are secondary type other than your primary. If you are doing the agriculture as the main thing, that is the first source of your business model. Secondary only, you have to identify which type of business model you need for income generation. In this point, you can see in this present news clippings, the news clipping was posted recently. Here they mention personal pain points leads this entrepreneur to launch business communication startup Telibu. An IT person, he introduced the concept of SMS sending. Usually, if we send the SMS through our mobile phone, it is costly. They'll charge. Using our system in some of the colleges, they have introduced for the attendance. If you are not going there, automatically it will calculate and the SMS will go to your parents. That is the communication style. But educational institutions are using that one for sending. It was actually introduced for schools to know the parent that whether they are coming or not for that attendance. That type of system has been identified by this person, Satya Kalyan. He is the person introduced that one at free. We don't know. I don't know how these people are using the SMS. Even in case of OTP, if you are using your payment channel, if you are sending money to somebody else, we are receiving the SMS clearly. All these things he integrated with their own system where they are using. That is how he generated each and every SMS he is sending, of course, free of cost. He will receive the money, but he coded everything well. His communication device is different. I don't know what is the backend process he is using, but he can take that risk using the new technology, but communicating with others. I think generally some students might know that one, how we can effectively communicate with these type of softwares. He introduced the cloud app for that purpose, and now he is having the office in even Bangalore, Kolkata, and Delhi, NCR region, that is National Capital Region. According to the present statistics, he is having 1 lakh customers for 1,000 enterprises. See that one, how quickly he is growing. His technology part enabled this business. So this model is unique. Based upon the SMS, he will get the income. Even the main source is creating one software, integrating with SMS and sending to different people with different mode. That is the main aim. But secondary business model, pay per SMS. See that one. That is how uniquely he designed the business model. That is very interesting. That is why I shared as in today's news. Okay, let us move on to the remaining business model. All this model I have taken from your LMS. Same thing what I posted in the LMS. We are going to discuss here. Only thing, examples we are going to discuss in elaborate manner. This is the same content from the LMS. So there is one model called disintermediation. Disintermediation model is nothing. Directly link both manufacturers and customers. Or if you are providing software services, linking service persons along with the customers directly without any intermediary. There won't be any intermediary. Without intermediary, if you are able to connect your customer and earn that business model, we used to call it as disintermediation. The reason is nowadays most of the intermediaries are coming to the business because of that the profit is moving out. But remember that you have to do the function of intermediary. Function is important, but intermediary is not essential. That is the concept. Usually we will follow in case of marketing. Same thing here. Disintermediation model means direct connection with the customer. Let us see a few examples. What are all the organizations are directly connecting with that one? You know this organization Dell. Even though Dell was introduced in other country, even in India, now you can directly place the orders for your laptop in Dell. That is made possible nowadays. They wish to avoid intermediaries. Even though Dell showroom is everywhere in Bangalore, but they are also enabling this model. Two model. I already told. Primary model is selling the computer systems, of course, using the showrooms, everything. In addition to that, as they are digital entrepreneurs, they are using direct platform. You can now most of the cases, including HB, everybody introduced that one, but Dell was the pioneer one introduced first. You can have configuration according to your desire in Dell. In case of Dell, you can directly have a virtual link of your system and you can see the product and you can order the product. That is made in case of Dell. This is the secondary. You should know clearly. We are discussing the secondary business models. Primary model, without showroom, they can't sell. If you can visit the Dell showroom, you can find and you can see the product there, then only you can buy. That is the primary. Even then, these Dell people introduce the secondary aim for selling that one. The very this clearly they design that one. Even you can design your own product. You can see that one. You can enter into the Dell product. What are all the configuration? You can see that one. You can use the chat box and you can directly communicate with the representative in the Dell. Even you can see different models. See that one. That is how it first one you can market and it is equivalent to advertisement. Second thing, direct linkage. You can see now a chat box is appearing. You can type your email ID and you can directly communicate like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. Here also, you can directly connect with the Dell and they are offering according to the requirements of the customer. Based upon that, they know what are all the requirements of the customer, what they are preferring. Recently, I came to know that from the Dell representation, almost recent laptops they are using for educational purpose. Of course, you, the students, a number of schools they are using the Dell. So what they introduced some of the camera softwares also. Previously they were already having camera, but now they redesign the camera and even you can adjust everything. Such type of new features have been added to Dell as well as the mic system. If you buy recently, our faculty members purchased the Dell, you can see camera, even you can fit additional camera nearby. You can configure the camera when you are buying. Then very important thing, the mic system, how effectively you can use additional mic they are given. These are all the things purely based upon the Disintermediation. If they are having the intermediary, they won't tell. They will talk about only the profit percentage only. But here, it is not like that. This is the, even though it is a secondary business model, this is essential. Only then you will know who are our customers, what they are doing. Otherwise, you can't know, because the intermediaries won't tell about the product. You are running a very good microbiology lab, you are testing the samples, everything. You need some feedback. Customers are coming quickly, you have to test. Timely, you have to test. You have to send the sample to exact person. How you know what type of thing they are expecting? In case of microbiology lab, it is a very tough job because patients are unable to answer. If they are very good patients, then no problem. Patients itself meaning that they are affected by disease. You can't ask feedback to the patient, because you can ask the feedback with the person who is coming with the patient, but not with the patient. You, so if you want to know about your product, such type of disintermediation is essential. Without this thing, now we can't survey in some of the business. Even in case of product manufacturing, you can see in this example, Kia, Sonat, how they created the disintermediation. Whether we are booking through the online or not, definitely, if I wish to buy the car, I will go there, test drive and check, then only I will order. But here you can see, even you can make orders in online. For that purpose, if you enter into the Kia website, they are given clearly. If you want to book online, you can see in that one. You can see the car with the help of VR also. But I am not using VR to see that one. You can see in 360-degree angle of the car. That is made possible nowadays because of the technology. This is not their main business. Once again, you can see, now you can see the wheel, how the wheel alignment is there. Everything you are able to see. That is the disintermediation. Directly have the link with the customer, so that we can see what type of customer, what they are preferring, including color preference. This is how the top of the Kia will looks like, what they are expecting. All these things you are able to see that one. This is a very good example of disintermediation. You may have the product mix you can use. You can see in this here color combination. Which color you are seeing more time, these people will use analytics and find out clearly that your preference. This is a very good idea about the product. But in microbiology lab, you can't use that one. But journalism student, you can do. What type of news the customers are preferring? Computer science students, they can go for the software testing. What are all the requirements the customer or the client is expecting? You can see. Others, you can have the product itself. What type of product? Even social entrepreneur, you can have these type of things. What type of event the customers are liking? That is the advantage of this type of disintermediation business model. In product, this is now essential. Once upon a time, we never thought about that one. Even whether you are booking the Kia Sonet or not, they will see this one before buying. This will act as an direct advertisement also nowadays. Directly, it will target the customers. We have studied in market feasibility how to promote your product. This model is a nice model you can use, provided you should have the technology. If you are having the technology with you, you can design this type of thing. Product also, service also, you can use this model. That is why this is a very interesting model, but it is costly. That I agree. Uh, Creating a 360-degree vision of a car is not a simple one. Even we used to take a very big photograph, how we are standing this side, that side, pandemic view, this side, we are seeing this side, panoramic view. During this pandemic period, how you are taking panoramic view of long shot, we are struggling. Maybe you find it very easy to shot, but here you can see 360-degree angle is essential for the product. So in this model, we can go for the disintermediation. Dear students, if you want to know, or if you are having the customer analytics, you should have this thing. I came to know even the clock centers in Bangalore, they have recently introduced the analytics for this purpose, and they are using some of the software to know the customer behavior, and they are ready to sell to their home. One of the cloud center, one of my our faculty member from Tamil Nadu is saying that a cloud center, I think you might have known, it is also in Bangalore, Pothis. During this COVID period, they mentioned that you can select in WhatsApp itself. If you want to buy a product in Pothis, use your WhatsApp. They are mentioning. If you click into the particular number in WhatsApp, you can see the product. After seeing the product, you can select that one. You can pay. We will deliver you to your house. See that one. But this is not a main model. Pothis, I think it is in Bangalore also. In Tamil Nadu, it is very famous, according to him. There are number of showrooms there. But they introduced the additional model. These are all the income generation model. According to that Pothis, I think Pothis, yes, Pothis Cloth Center, during this COVID period, they gained at least not main source of income. It enables them to survive because they introduced the new system. Because government the banned the non-essential services. Cloth centers are not asked to open. So how to sell the product? Number of 100 persons are working in that organization. How to give salary? How to do the business? So according to that person, this helped more during this pandemic period. So that is the purpose why we need a secondary model with the primary model. Let us go for the next type of model. This is another model. So first is disintermediation. That is the without intermediary or without middleman we are going to send. But this model is called fractionalization. Same thing I have taken from the LMS. What I posted in the LMS, same thing. This fractionalization model you have to do along with a large organization. One part of other business will be taken over by you. You may run a microbiology lab. So for you, what is your fractionalization means? You can do a small lab in a particular hospital. You are having a big lab in one place. Fraser Town, let us assume Fraser Town, your lab is there. Very big lab. But you have to attract the doctors. So what you will do? You should have some center or a small room, not a room, at least a counter. We used to call it as log counters. Log counters means one of the person working in that hospital will run on behalf of you. You will pay just 5,000 or 10,000 for that person. You are paying to that person. He will run a small, very, very small or kiosk, a kiosk system there in the main hospital, Manipal Hospital. So if a patient wish to test the blood or some microbiology lab they wish to use, they can approach you so that you will direct you for taking the scan. Small hospitals are there. Nearby our college, Kratis Hospital is there. You may have that one. In Kratis Hospital, you can put a kiosk center or a very big banner along with a one small equipment. If you want to scan, you can approach us so that the patient may see that one come to you. This is called a fractionalization for microbiology student. If you are running a computer science students software fractionalization, you can join hands with some big person and do modular programming, because if you want to implement a very big one in a large manner, it is a very tough job. So what the software people are doing in Bangalore, there are very good software scientists are there in Bangalore, but they are not working in a single organization. What they are doing, they are taking the orders, joining hands with other professional people and doing. That is for the software people. That is the fractionalization. Even journalism student, you can have one stall along with the big television companies, so that whatever you are sending the message, it will go there directly. This is the secondary model. But this model is very good in theme parks. You can easily understand if I am telling the meaning in case of theme park. Theme park, the fractionalization model is in a something different manner. Say for example, if you are going for the fun world, you are paying, I think now I don't know exactly ticket, 680 rupees, I think. 680 rupees you can pay. Whether you are able to enjoy all the rides, they won't give. They will restrict. These areas free, this thing you have to pay and you can use that ride. But totally minimum you have to pay 680 rupees for the entrance. Then only you are able to enter into the fun world. And some rides are free, something payable. Payable means it will be done by somebody else. Fun world users or the operators, they are not having such control. They will outsource to somebody else and they will run their show inside the fun world. So in such case, you have to pay. That is also fractionalization. Very good thing. One of the class center, they are having small shows inside this type of fun world. Very good example in case of Santosha Island in Singapore. Even here, you can these things you might have seen. So there's a very good projection of what are all the theme parks, everything there. But when you enter, you can't use everything. You have to pay for some of the rights because it is outsourced. That payment is called fractionalization. It will be tied up with others because theme park investment is a very big amount. You can't invest in a theme park. So what these theme park people will do, some of the rights or some of the theme, they will give to the third party. You can run. If you are even the microbiology lab, you can have one stall inside the theme park. I have seen in case of Genting Island in Malaysia, you can see, you can test your thing because some of them after going for a ride, uh, they will feel something stressed, their BP may increase, or they will feel some discomfort. For that purpose, inside the Genting Island in Malaysia, they are having some psychologists also. Clinical psychologists are there. Even our traditional medical equipments are there. That is used for advertising. Even the very big hospitals in Malaysia, they are having that unit. In case of Chennai, once upon a time, VG Panir Das. When we were studying, it is very famous VGP, Golden Beach. We used to go to Chennai during the summer holidays and we will enjoy that VGP Golden Beach in those days. One person used to stand there, whatever you are making sound, he won't move. See that one, but he is paid, his dresses, everything is sponsored by somebody from one cloud center from outside. VGP Golden Beach, they are not giving clothes to him. The cloth owned by the person inside this VGP Golden Beach. He used to stand straight. You can make sound, you can do something. He won't move here and there. I think, I don't know whether it is still there in Chennai. Whether any person is from Chennai, he may answer. Hmm?
Yes, sir. I'm from Chennai and it's still there.
Oh, it is still there.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. Very interesting thing. That person dress is from some cloth centers. How they are making? That is the fractionalization. In case of most of the theme parks, it will be like that. In theme park, so in my view, you can have some touch up with theme park. It will create a very good mass. All the young people, school kids, they used to visit. Of course, now it is a COVID period, but it is very famous there. You can see in case of the another theme park in Singapore, Sentosa. If you entered into Singapore, definitely you will visit the Sentosa. Without visiting Sentosa, you won't come out of Singapore. Same thing. Here you can see when you are booking for these theme parks, they will issue tokens, 60 tokens, 90 plus 5 tokens only. That is, certain rides are fully free. If you buy that one, you can enjoy the Sentosa Island without going any rides or without enjoying some of the skyline, skydive. All these things are there. But once you enter by seeing everybody, automatically you are ready to pay. That is quite common in case of Singapore in Sentosa Island. Even in Universal Studio, if you are having time to visit Singapore and see the Universal Studio, Sentosa Island. If you are entering into Universal Studio, you can see a number of things are there, but all are common. If you wish to enter into Jurassic Park, you have to pay. But you know that Jurassic Park theme is run by an independent agency. They are doing that one, not the Universal Studio. Likewise, everywhere they used to keep the secondary unit. After taking the Jurassic Park, they bring that one. And likewise, a style of Egypt, everything will be there. In Sentosa Island, there are number of things are there. But most of the things you have to pay. But if you can take full pass, you can visit everything. The reason is to attract the customers and know the strategy. If you are an entrepreneur outside Singapore, definitely you will be one sponsor for one event in Universal Studio or in Sentosa or in Singapore Zoo. Plus, you will have a primary business somewhere else. The reason is Singapore is mainly of tourist only, tourist attraction. Anybody is going for Singapore only as a tourist. Of course, the very big business hub because of the port, everything. But Singapore main attraction is tourist, their main income. So what the Singapore business people used to do, they will have some sponsors inside the Sentosa Island. If you buy a coupon in Sentosa Island, their business name will be there. It means that they are sponsoring that one. Indirectly, it will fetch revenue to you. So automatically, if I am going for the Sentosa Island, first I am seeing Universal Studio. If I am entering into Jurassic Park, in that form itself, I am able to see who is the sponsor of today's event. Their name will be displayed. See that one. These are all secondary business model. Through that one, we'll get the income. Likewise, how many persons are getting the ticket for the Jurassic Park event? From that also, I think 8% previously, I don't know now, 8% used to come to you. That is the secondary income source based upon that. Recently, in case of cricket stadium, somebody mentioned he is going to advertise in the cricket stadium. It is also same thing, fractionalization. You know, these advertisements, why they are keeping in everywhere in cricket stadium. In case of Dubai, nobody is seeing. Of course, few persons are to witness that match, but really speaking, the crowd is very, very less. But even then, the advertisements are going on because if you are watching in the television, each and every place they fractionalize that one and given to some other company. One journalism students must know that one because their advertisements income is very, very important thing. They will search in the bowling a first both end of the cricket stadium who is going to take. It will be leased to somebody else, and that person will give to other organizations. Very nice thing in case of the fractionalization in cricket stadiums, because these are all the things essential nowadays for the business. You can't say that there is no need for cricket match, there is no need for advertisement in Sentosa or in theme park. It is made essential. Microbiology students, you should have a link with all the hospitals, all the doctors. It is essential. Software students, you should have a link with all the software professionals. That's why when there was a software event held, usually in case of Germany, I think some of you know Hanover Trade Fair. In Hanover Trade Fair, almost all the software companies, starting from our Indian Infosys, Wipro, everybody will be there. All these IT professionals, they used to demonstrate their software product, even hardware product also. Why they are going for that one? It only capture the income. They will give to somebody else. That is the advertisement models. We must know. Here, another example. Why I am telling more example, because this fractionalization in case of India is in different forms. You know about IRCTC. If you want book trains, you are using IRCTC. But you can see not only trains, now even you can book cruise ships also, passenger ship cruise. You can book, you can see, I have taken this image recently from the IRTC. See that one. IRCTC not only for railways, but they are going to introduce for the cruise also, airlines, everything. Each and everything they have given to somebody else in this website. See that one, IRCTC hotels. Different hotels are there. They are bringing here. Even though it is an affiliate marketing for them, for our ventureship, this is the fractionalization model. If you are a travel and tourism agent, you can take care of one private trains to visit. You can take care of that one. That is also now possible. You can see IRCTC, it is coming soon. They are not only standing only for the railways, even for cruise packages. It is going to start from 6/11/2020. They, this cruise organization, see that one, they are having linkage with the IRCTC. How? That is the secondary. Of course, their main aim is to run a cruise and they have to earn. But secondary income is going to come from IRCTC. Interesting thing. That is how we assume that the business is only for only one purpose. It is not like that. You must know all those things in case of each and every package. IRCTC package, you can see Delhi to Amritsar. They have taken that role. Delhi to Amritsar. It has been given to one individual, but it is in form of rotation. This year they will give to one body, Next year they will give to another travel agency. You can't design. If you are running the travel and tourism, you can take one from the others. That is the fractionalization. They divided in the fraction parts and giving to different persons. Each and every tour package. You can see that one Nainital, pilgrim, special tourist, hmm, Mada, Vaishnava temple vision, all these things based upon the thing. But it never means the IRCT is doing. Only individual travel agents, they have taken the role, join hands with the IRCTC and doing. So this is the fractionalization model. See that one, how fractionalization is coming. Dear student, that is when you are going for these ventures, any venture, think about all these models, which one you will join with that one. These things are essential in business to gain the income. That is the receipts. See that one, IRCTC. IRCTC is a very big organization now. We'll see the example for next also, how this IRCT is playing. So as per this fractionalization model, you must know this is another method of creating income with the help of advertisements, or even it may be in any other form, linking with somebody else. For microbiology lab students, they can have their stalls, a small unit in any hospitals. In travel and tourism industry, it is essential. Whatever the business you are going to do, you can join hands with any theme park, because in theme park only usually attract huge crowd. In case of Bangalore, you can see, but nowadays it is not like that. Anyhow, after this COVID, it will boom up. You can find out Sentosa Island, I've told, Genting Island, in case of Malaysia, even in case of Abu Dhabi, you can see this one. How the Abu Dhabi has been developed only because of that one. Whatever the new business, any business in UAE, including UAE Mall, Dubai Mall, you can see one unit in Abu Dhabi, Ferrer Park. Along with that one, you can see it is not only for car industries, but everywhere. You can see that one, Abu Dhabi, all these tourist places. In case of India, also same thing. It is upcoming one. That is the fractionalization model. Next one is franchising. I hope somebody asked how you can go for franchising. Nowadays, you can develop your business. Once your business has been identified, you must know how to develop our business. We have discussed the Dosawala on the first day class itself. A person uneducated, he entered into Mumbai and going for very long thing, his business in all over the world. How he is doing? Only in Mumbai it belongs to that Dosawala, Prem Ganpati. But outside Mumbai, he has given for franchising. But the quality of the product, everything is same. That is the USP of the Dosawala. McDonald also, same thing. You can see McDonald, very good example. Even if you are having the McDonald burger in Bangalore, same taste. Same thing if you are going for Amsterdam in Europe, same taste. Even if you are in American place anywhere, Arizona or Texas, you can see that one same taste. How these people are creating. Even when we visited Michigan State University, I used to have the same taste, but there in McDonald is ranked as third one. Only those who are not having income, they are going for McDonald. That is the perception in US. When I was in Michigan State University, I asked my professor, okay, McD is there, we can go. Why? You want to go to McD? No, 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 no. Only poor people will go there. See that one. But in case of Bangalore, it is not like that. In entire India, either in Delhi or in Bangalore or even in Mumbai, we are going there, McDonald. But racism is somewhat like in some other countries. But the McDonald, even though it is a franchising, how far they are maintaining the standard? I even asked one time one of the person from New Delhi visited our campus. We asked how they are maintaining because I know the taste of McD. Same thing in Singapore, same thing in Dubai, same thing in European countries. In Frankfurt also same thing. Madrid also same thing. Everywhere it is same thing. How they are maintaining? It is only a franchising. They are telling they won't reveal, but they created one equipment. That is the USP. That will fit the exact quality and make everything. The quality concise is this very important in case of McDonald's. So this is the franchising. From McDonald is now in concentrating only in franchising. Once upon a time they started equivalent to opposition to China. Once again now also same problem is coming. They introduced the concept of McDonald throughout US, KFC also. Only by the age of 65 that one started KFC. I think you might have read the story of KFC. But all these are all now coming to other places to create a very good brand name with the tag, brand tag, and with same quality. That is very important thing. Same quality. That is the franchising. You must know the franchising is very important because of the quality consciousness. In in case of local example, you might have seen the A to B. A to B actually we used to call it as same thing. Adayar Anand Bhavan. Same thing. It was very famous in Chennai once upon a time. A number of Adayar hotels were there. It was very famous. But now you can see A to B from Chennai to Bangalore, as well as if you travel from Chennai, Salem to Bangalore, we are seeing everywhere A to B this side. Even in Mysore, nearby railway station, you can see A to B. How this A to B is dominating. It is not owned by a single person. You can see, but they are manufacturing in their own place. But some of the ingredients they are checking clearly according to the standards. Whether you are having the A to B product in Mysore or in Bangalore, same thing. They are having the franchising unit. Of course, they were famous for pure ghee sweets, but this vegetarian restaurant, even in Bangalore, most of them are preferring nowadays. And Mysore also, it is highly dominated. How these people are creating? It is owned by only one person, but of course, he is from Andhra basically, but he started his business in Tamil Nadu, but he is running successfully in Karnataka. See that one. All the states nowadays. He is basically from one state, another state only he commences his business. Of course, maybe the reason. Then now you can see in different places A to B. Even in case of Delhi Connaught Place, you can see the A to B. The Connaught Circle, Delhi one. How these people are franchising. Once if your venture is successful, be clear. You can give to franchising. Provided the quality you are able to judge and see. Quality control audit, if you are able to do, you can simply sit in a home, sleep well, and earn. That's what the franchising model. But there are number of regulations nowadays in case of franchising. Of course, in India, there is no separating franchising act, but it is governed by some of the laws in India. How to go for franchising, how you can get the franchising, What are the agreements you have to sign for franchising? It is very important thing. You have to pay legal fees. That once, if it is successful one, you can take. The advantage is that you can use that brand name. In Mysore, I know one of the person who has taken the franchise of this A to B used to tell. He is basically native of Mysore only, but nearby Mysore one place. He used to take the franchising of A to B. Only thing he mentioned, the quality audit. The laws are very strict in franchising. If anything violated, except price you can decide. You can fix your price. There is a flexibility, but the quality aspect, if anything, then there's a breach of contract. So what he is telling, he is running a small A to B, the franchising only for sweets, not anything. In nearby Mysore railway station, you can see a big A to B, but he is running in a different place. You can see his business. Now he is coming forward in the name of A to B. In future, he is telling that I am studying everything from A to B. Future, if some other good brand name comes, I myself start a big restaurant in Mysore. These are the training place franchising. One way it will increase once if you are good in franchising, once if you are having a very good quality, you can increase your business. Another side, you can learn with the help of franchising. That is also important. Learning from others. You have to learn from others. Then you can have very good franchising. Then after that, you can have your own business. Here you can see some of the examples. In case of journalism student may assume, why is it franchising is possible for journalists? Yes, you can see here. Most of the television channels, they are having only franchising unit. Here, major group is not given here because they are already established. See that one, Sudarshan TV channel, you have to invest around 10,000 and 50,000. It based upon the needs, 10 to 15,000 rupees. If you are ready to invest in a particular place, you can have your own TV channel there. There, you can use the name Sudarshan channel and you can run in your regional place. You can have a television channel in your regional place. You can use that name. You can say Darpan Group of Publications, Community Cable Television Network, Ganga TV, Nexus India. They mention what are all minimum space sometimes required, how much amount you have to pay. Once it is there, you can use their name. That's what's told. Even in journalism, there are a number of opportunities for that one. The advantage, the brand name of others. Bring the brand name of others to you. Use that one successfully. That is how these franchising people are doing now. You can see some other examples in beauty salons. More thing. You may assume that these beauty salons are not generating income, but you can see here how much beauty salons are coming. Even Venus Spa, Trends, Share, Naturals. You can have a franchising. Only thing you must know basic thing, then you can have franchising for the naturals anywhere. But only limit they mentioned minimum square feet you need. They mentioned minimum for naturals is 1,200 square feet. If you are having, you can create your business there. Only thing, you should not deteriorate from the quality. They will mention, they will train up you. We will see another example how training is given for this type of franchising business. Unispa, Dreams International, Kyra, All these things are there. Very good opportunity in case of this type of salons. It is a upcoming one because these are the branded one. The equipments will be given by them and trained by them. You may not have the idea of running a salon, but you will be trained by naturals. That is the plus point of those company. Very good opportunities are there, especially in case of India. They identified good ranking. Likewise, another type of franchising, you might have seen these courier companies, DTDC, a nice one. Throughout India, we are having, if you want to send the courier immediately, you can use this type of DTDC. It is very popular. Even you can have the DTDC center i- in the form of franchising. They used to have. They call it a single unit franchising, master franchising, super franchising. You can see that one. There you can run the franchising unit with yourself. That is possible. You can see for that purpose, DTDC is running franchisee advisory board. That is the quality how you are using the franchising of DTDC. You can put one DTDC center provided if you are knowing the opportunity. Even IRCTC, now they created the franchising. See that one? Try if you want to become a travel agent, you can be a travel agent in IRCTC. You can book. Only thing you can register in the IRCTC. This is a web portal of IRCTC where you can run. Only thing you know how to attract the customers. Even if you are running a grocery store, you can put this one as a secondary thing for booking the ticket. I know in some of the places, in case of Tumkur, one grocery store we have visited. In this grocery store, one person is sitting. If you want to go in any train, we are ready to book. Come, see that one. See, that is also possible nowadays. IRCT is running a very good job nowadays. Even you can have the side business. I came to know in case of some of the main area of business, they are running the IRCTC. Boat house in Kerala. Inside the boat house, they are having IRCTC agency. They have taken that one. So these things are called as the franchising. So with this, we will complete this hour. You can have a break. So the question for this hour is, we have discussed two business models, disintermediation and franchising. For your business, you can select either disintermediation or franchising. But under that, which one is the best one? We have to mention with the name IRCTC disintermediation model or fractionalization model or IRCTC franchising model. Okay, for your business, if you want to do which type of disintermediation or fractionalization or franchising model you will select. Never mention disintermediation, franchising, or fractionalization. Under that, we have discussed number of examples, Santosha model of fractionalization, IRCTC model of what franchising, or A to B model of franchising. You have to specifically mention that one. Okay, we will meet after 15 minutes. Okay, bye.